From Silicon Valley to Shanghai and everywhere in between, innovation is happening everywhere we turn. Here's a snapshot of some exciting new technologies in development around the world. We begin by the California coast in nearby Stanford. That's where researchers are opening up the marvels of 3D printing to a whole new demographic. This strange-looking machine is a 3D printer for the blind. It uses actuated pins that move together to mimic the shape of the object the user is creating on their printing software. That way, blind individuals can literally get a feel of their designs in real time without needing the help of others. They can even rotate the object in the software program and the pins will follow suit to reflect the change. This allows blind users to more quickly alter their creations and accelerate the design process. There is no telling what ingenious products will be made possible thanks to this inclusive device. We hop across the Atlantic Ocean to the United Kingdom, where digital data is being stored in an unexpected place. Forget USB keys, researchers at Microsoft are transcribing data into sheets of quartz glass. Special pulsed lasers are rapidly fired under the surface of the glass, permanently modifying it on a microscopic level. Each precise alteration mimics a piece of code that a computer would use to read a piece of digital information. These imprints are layered many times over, packing incredible amounts of data into a tiny space. A computerized microscope and machine learning algorithms can then be used to read the data back by decoding the patterns. The Microsoft researchers successfully etched the 1978 film Superman onto a pane of glass the size of a drink coaster. They hope to use this technology to more efficiently store the vast amounts of data we're generating every day. Finally, we fly to Germany to get a better grasp on the future of robotics. These robotic hands might look clunky, but they're outfitted with dozens of tiny pressure and visual sensors. These sensors help the robot's AI system analyze the composition of each object. Over time, the robot learns to identify objects based on features like appearance, weight, and color, as well as how to safely handle them. The idea is to replicate the way human hands grasp objects and dynamically adjust their hold on them as needed. This robot was trained to recognize several household objects, pick them up, and then hand them off. It was also able to analyze the properties of unfamiliar objects and make a judgment about how best to handle them. Research like this is being used to develop smarter factory robots as well as robotic assistants for in-home care. And that's our wrap of the top innovations from around the world.